Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho Flow to automate approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Zoho Flow, navigate to the Zoho Flow website. Click on the sign up option located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be directed to a registration form. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Make sure your password meets the security criteria listed. Next, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. After completing this step, check your email for a verification message from Zoho. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the Zoho Flow site, where you'll be prompted to log in. Use the email and password you just registered with to log in. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To start automating approvals, click on the Create Flow button. Choose a suitable template or select Start from Scratch. After that, select the trigger app that will initiate your approval workflow. Configure the trigger settings according to your needs. Next, add the actions that should follow this trigger. Choose the approval app and set up the approval process. You can customize notifications and escalation procedures if needed. Once everything is set, save your flow. You can test the flow to ensure it functions correctly. If the test is successful, your automation is now ready to use. Monitor the flow through the dashboard to see how it performs over time. This guide provides a solid foundation for registering and automating approvals using Zoho Flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.